guys, today is wash day for my hair. And I'm going to be using some Neewer products, so I want to come and show you guys that and do like a, you know, wash day video. So I think I'm going to be washing I had a bun all week. It was so cute, y'all. Oh, it smells. Y'all, this smells so good. Smells so good. Like, it doesn't have like a fruity scent, but I don't know, it just smells really, really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and what am I gonna do? What am I doing? I think I'm gonna just go wet my hair and come back and start the shampoo sitting down. So I didn't go in with my Mizani this time, just so I can see how the shampoo works on its own. So I just washed my hair, wet it. Y'all, it looks so like rich in color, like gold. So y'all know the first lather really don't be hitting because you have product in your hair. So the first lather is to lift basically the product out. And then it has like a slimy texture to it, which I love in my shampoos. Okay, let me rinse this out. Second shampoo. Make sure y'all getting behind this ear, this hair behind the ear. Okay guys, so I am back and I just got out the shower, did my skincare, y'all. Oh my god, I feel so good. But the only thing I don't like about jars is it doesn't have like the pump. I can know for my hair I do 2 pumps for conditioner depending on how much comes out at a time. And here I just have to scoop it out. So wait a minute, let me use this hand. So this is about 2.5, maybe 2 pumps of conditioner. And I like to just start on my ends. Making sure I'm getting everywhere. Making sure I'm getting my edges. So I'm just going to put a little more for... result, you guys. But this is the look. I do want to say I do really like the Design Essentials. I rinsed it out. Y'all can see. Moisture, cleansing, like how your hair looks starts off in the shampoo bowl. Like my hair looks so good. So I put a little oil, a little serum, lightweight oil on my hair from Azani. You guys know I don't really go away from my products too much. And then I also use my Sebastian liquid gloss. I've been using this since beauty school. It lasts so long because I only use one dot. So yeah, you guys, this is the look. I do recommend the Mazani, the Design Essentials, that shampoo and conditioner. Baby, you can't go wrong. The products are hidden, okay? And my daughter, as you guys saw in the video, she was like, oh my god, your hair smells so good. But anyway, you guys, thank you guys for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Oh my head, yeah.